Today there are many powerful AI tools available that can make your work faster and easier. However, no single AI tool that is the best for every task. Choosing the right tools for the right job can save your time and improve your result. Number 1. Writing. Claude AI. If you need to write article, email, blog post or any other content, use Claude AI. It products nature, clear and well-organized text in just a few seconds. Number 2. Research. Perplexity. When you need accurate information, use Perplexity. It searches trusted source, provide up-to-date answer, and include reference so you can verify the information. Number 3. Coding. Claude Code. For programming tasks, choose Claude Code. It can write code, fix error, explain programming concept, and help you complete project faster. Number 4. Studying. Notebook, LM, Gemini, and ChatGPT. If you are a student, this AI tool can summarize notes, explain difficult topics, answer questions, and help you prepare for exam more efficiently. Number 5. Automation N8N. Need to automate repetitive tasks? Use N8N to connect different apps and create workflow that save time and reduce manual work. Number 6. Basic website. Anti-gravity. Want to create a simple website without coding? Anti-gravity helps you build a basic website quickly and easily. Number 7. AI image generation. Gemini or Nano Banana. To create high quality AI generated image from text prompt, use Gemini or Nano Banana. Simply describe the image you want and the AI will generate it in seconds. This AI tool can help you work faster, learn better and become more productive every day. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.